All right, if you're a project manager, you already know bad meetings are just annoying. They're expensive, they kill momentum, and they take up time and cost for your projects. But what if I told you there's a simple fix, a way to lead engaging meetings every time? That's where this book comes into play. I just finished Lead Engaging Meetings by Jeff Shannon. And this book is key for running meetings that just don't suck, which is why today I want to quickly dive into a few key concepts that I took out of this book and what you need to know before picking up this book yourself. Now, if you want to check out the full review, you can see this over at theriskblog.com under book reviews. But overall, this book this book is for leaders who want to stop wasting time and they want to run meetings that actually get things done. So let's jump into Lead Engaging Meetings. All right, in this book, Jeff, he doesn't pull any punches. One line from this book that automatically pops out as something that I knew that this is actually a great way of leading calls. Jeff says, facilitating a meeting is like riding an elephant. You're in charge until the elephant decides you're not. That one line, it captures the chaos that every project manager has faced in large-scale meetings. So Shannon's mission throughout this book is to help you keep control of that elephant. And his goal is to give you clarity, purpose, and strategy so that way you can lead your meetings with full confidence and get the point across and get the deliverables done that you need in that time frame. See, this book it's not just theory. It's actually a step-by-step blueprint that starts before the meeting even begins, giving you details on how to set up, how to put together your notes, put together your outline, your schedule. Then he also gets into the nit and gritty, stuff that I didn't even think about, like greeting the people as they walk into the room and making sure that no one sees you actually setting up for the meeting. After you get done setting up the brief, he wants you to make sure that you are setting the tone throughout the meeting. He shows you how to avoid the rabbit holes and those individuals that try to hijack your call. And he makes sure that you always want to end on a high note. This is a playbook that every project manager can use, especially when leading those larger meetings, like the kickoff meeting, your risk workshops, and your monthly calls. This book is not just about leading, it's about directing and making sure that you are making the best experience for those people in your meeting while driving the results that you need to move your project forward. Jeff is not a project manager. Doesn't take away from the fact that everything he teaches in this book, a project manager can use almost daily. Now, there is one thing I wish he would put in the book, and that is the shorter 15-minute stand-ups, on-call meetings that really drag project managers down. But still, we all have to lead those larger calls. The kickoff meeting being a big one. This right here, fully applicable and something that I know I'm going to apply in the next kickoff meeting that I ever put together. While at the same time, your risk workshops can really do well with this construct, or your monthly calls with your stakeholders, or even your final meeting for your lessons learned in bringing everyone together for an engaging, constructive conversation. It helps you build those clear action items that you actually need the team to get done. And Jeff puts in here one of the coolest topics, I thought, about putting your schedule to end early. Yes, we always preach that you don't want to go over the time frame, and he stresses that in the book because the difference between a good meeting and a bad meeting could be ending 5 minutes early or ending 5 minutes late. So it's a simple book to get through. It's not hard to read. You can take tons of notes. It even has little diagrams on how to set up the room for the meetings. And he jumps into virtual hybrid meetings as well, which is a great chapter for people like me who work remotely from home all the time. So my recommendation is you definitely want to pick this book up. Give it a read, take some notes, and then watch the 60-minute digital course that comes with this, because now you get a visual for everything that's in this book. I watched the video before I started reading and after, and I have to tell you, when I watched it afterwards, it made so much more sense. But I liked watching it beforehand because as I was reading the book, I had an idea on what he was trying to get into. So start with that end in mind, and I would recommend you watch the video first before you jump into the book. Then when you're done with the book, watch the video again. Overall, great book. Highly recommend it. Pick it up. Use the link down in the description. All right. I appreciate it. Make sure you check out other book reviews at theriskblog.com or check out this one that I recently did as well. 44 Risk PM.